rise as we welcome a visionary leader whose unwavering commitment to good governance, development and nation building has transformed Uttar Pradesh into one of India's fastest growing investment destinations. It is a great honor and privilege, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Yogi Adityanath ji. Let's give a big round of applause. जोरदार तालियों के साथ एक ऐसे जननेता का स्वागत करें जिनके दृढ़ नेतृत्व, सुशासन और विकास की दृष्टि ने उत्तर प्रदेश को नए आयामों तक पहुंचाया है। हम सबके लिए ये अत्यंत गौरव का विषय है कि हमारे बीच पधार रहे हैं उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री पूज्य महंत श्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी। This is indeed a proud and a defining moment for all of us as we gather to celebrate new partnerships, new opportunities and a shared vision for India's economic growth. We have with us Honorable Finance Minister Shri Suresh Kumar Khanna. Sir, aapka bahut swagat. We have with us Infrastructure and Industrial Development Commissioner Shri Deepak Kumar. So warm welcome to you. Additional Chief Secretary Industries Shri Alok Kumar, Shri R.K. Singh, who is the CEO Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority, Shri Alok Kumar, Principal Secretary IT and Electronics. We have with us Shri Amit Singh, Secretary to Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. The same, Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, अतिथि देवो भव, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी, बेंगलुरु में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन है। आज आपकी उपस्थिति हम सब के लिए गौरव का विषय है। इस महत्वपूर्ण अवसर पर आपका मार्गदर्शन हम सब के लिए अत्यंत प्रेरणादायक होगा। सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत। Such an honor, such a privilege to have you with us today, sir. It's my privilege and honor to welcome each one of you to the GCC and IT Outreach Conclave, an important milestone in strengthening the partnership between India's technology capital Bengaluru and one of India's fastest growing economic powerhouses, Uttar Pradesh. A warm welcome to our distinguished industry leaders, CEOs, GCC heads, entrepreneurs, investors, policymakers, members of the media and esteemed guests. Today is not merely about discussing investment opportunities. It is about envisioning the future. It is about bringing together innovation, governance, talent and enterprise to create India's next chapter of economic growth. Over the last several years, Uttar Pradesh has undergone an extraordinary and a remarkable transformation. With visionary leadership of Shri Yogi Adityanath ji, focused governance and bold policy reforms, the state has emerged as one of India's most attractive destinations for global investments. Today, UP stands on 5 pillars that are driving its remarkable growth: improved law and order, enhanced women's safety, world-class infrastructure, progressive policy framework, ease of doing business with investor-friendly governance. These reforms have not only created confidence among businesses, but have also accelerated industrial development. With 22 expressway connecting cities, 5 international airports, 10 plus operational domestic airports, rapid rail system, dedicated industry corridors, UP is building an ecosystem designed for businesses to thrive. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine the possibilities when globally recognized innovation capital Bengaluru's ecosystem collaborates with Uttar Pradesh's ambitious vision. Together, we can redefine India's technology landscape. Together, this collaboration can create new opportunities for innovation, employment, research, and global competitiveness. This conclave serves as a platform to build such meaningful partnerships and meaningful collaborations. to understand this remarkable journey and witness the immense opportunities that Uttar Pradesh offers to business across the world. May I invite everyone to direct your attention to the screens for a specially curated film. I now invite Shri Amit Shetty, who is the CEO of Embassy Group, to share their experience of doing business in Uttar Pradesh. Warm welcome to you.
Scale, ambition, talent, enterprise, and the rising aspiration of a new India.
Thank you. May now invite Shri Gaurav Hazra, who is the Vice President and Head Government Affairs APAC, Cognizant, to share his experience with us.
Cognizant remains strongly committed to the state of UP. Our current scale and future plans reflect the commitment, and we look forward to deepening our partnership with the state in the coming time.
Now request Honorable Finance Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Suresh Kumar Khanna, to please address the gathering.
प्रदेश में ट्रिमेंडस चेंज हुआ है, खास तौर से लैंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन में ज़बरदस्त इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है, जिसकी ख्याति पूरी देश और पूरी दुनिया में है.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most awaited moment is here. It's time to hear from the visionary under whose leadership the state of Uttar Pradesh has witnessed remarkable progress. With your huge round of applause, please join me in extending a warm and respectful welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mahant Yogi Adityanath ji, to deliver the special address.
इन्वेस्टमेंट के एक बेहतरीन डेस्टिनेशन के रूप में स्थापित किया है. दुनिया के अंदर सबसे तेज उभरती हुई अर्थव्यवस्था के रूप में, सबसे तेज गति से बढ़ती हुई अर्थव्यवस्था के रूप में भारत को स्थापित किया है. और मुझे बताते हुए प्रसन्नता है कि भारत में उत्तर प्रदेश ने पिछले 9 वर्ष के अंदर इस ग्रोथ स्टोरी में सहभागी होने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त किया है.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of this event, today has been more than a gathering. It's been the beginning of new conversations, new collaborations, and new possibilities. Thank you to Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Yogi Adityanath ji. And the discussions and connections made today will translate into meaningful investments, lasting partnerships, and a stronger economic future of our nation. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you all. Thank you so much.